sun is like barely up. I can't believe I signed up for an 8 a.m. Good morning, guys. So today is the first day of school, and I thought I would do this little intro while I'm getting ready because I'm a little bit behind schedule already. So my stupid self signed up for an 8 a.m. on Monday and Wednesdays, and of course this class is also like literally the farthest possible place from my dorm room. Like it's gonna take me like 30 minutes to walk there. Yeah, it's about 7:12 right now, and I want to like stop and get coffee before I get there. So I don't know what I'm gonna wear, so that's good. And then I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I don't want to like look awful on the first day. Luckily though, I only have 2 classes and I'll be done by 11 a.m. so I can always take a nap after. I really don't have time to make myself look not really sleepy, so this is what we're getting here. Now I gotta get an outfit, get my stuff, and then I'm off. I'm just gonna do this sweater. Oh, perfect. Okay, outfit is on. Already regret my outfit choice, but it's fine. It's 7:20. I'm gonna be a little bit late. No, not late. I might be like right on time, but you know what? It's good. First day of school. No, it looks like it's closed. Turns out the coffee shop doesn't even open until 7:30, so now I gotta wait like 5 minutes. If I'm late for coffee, it might still be worth it though. Honestly, it's so early. I've decided it's a little bit too much of a wait, so I'm gonna go to the cafeteria and make coffee there. And it's gonna suck, and I'm kind of sad. I'm gonna have to do this every time I have class. I'm not gonna be able to get my favorite coffee in the morning. Got off to a good start, not gonna lie. So bad, guys. It's like burnt and watery. This really sucks. So it's currently like 8:30 right now, and we got out like an hour and a half early, so I don't even have class again until 9:40. I don't know what to do. Cafeteria here literally isn't even open. Closed. So it's about 11 a.m. right now, and I'm done all my classes for today. So now I pretty much have like the whole day to just get stuff done. I can like get my homework done, go to the gym. I used to not get out till 4 every day, so it's weird being done so early. There's people still in the bathroom like getting ready for their morning. Like this is a little weird being on this schedule. So even though now I don't really have a lot to do today, like in my free time getting out so early, I'm hoping that like once the semester picks up a bit, I'll be able to use like all my extra time in the morning to get my work done earlier, and then just, you know, be able to like relax more at night and just get stuff done a lot earlier. And I don't know, I'm thinking it'll be good for me. Everyone is saying I'm really stupid for choosing an 8 a.m. like on purpose, but I think it'll be good. I just need to like make sure I don't get in like bad sleeping habit. But anyway, I'm just gonna have a little snack right now. These are the Health Warrior Chia bars. Super good. I'm trying a little gluten-free thing this week just to see if it helps my stomach. But yeah, these are gluten-free. Just they're really tiny though, just like a little something, just because I'm gonna go get lunch like right after I work out. Okay, and off to the gym. I've literally never gone at this time. I either go at like 9:30 or like 4:30. So hopefully it's just like no one's there, because that's what I really like. So it is 3:21. I don't know where my day went. I kind of wasted it. So I went to the gym. I got lunch with Mia, and then we met Jordan. She came back.
Jordan's back.
Ooh, squad's back together.
Squad is back. Mine is Madison.
Oh yeah, we'll see her in a bit. But we don't have any work, so we're gonna go to Fairfax, West Hollywood area, see what's out there. Jordan in her element. We love the fit.
Oh, thanks. Okay, we got a table.
I know, it's like 4:30 though, that's probably why. See, I don't know what I can eat here. So I can't eat dairy because lactose intolerant. I'm not eating gluten for the next 3 days because it might be making all my problems worse. So, salad. Nice sad salad.
Yeah.
This is literally everything I can't eat. bread and cheese.
Yes.
And then I'm getting a pizza.
I think you should put your reaction on if you try trying this. Try a little. Oh, you can't.
I don't want to mess
try a
up my
little.
tummy.
Cheese?
Cheese and bread. It's ricotta
Here.
bread and there's like lemon something.
Is that lemon?
I don't even know. It's so good. If I remember it right.
Is it good?
That's good.
Getting that content.
Oh, that is good.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes plans to post you guys might be seeing one day. Next stop, got some Blue Bottle coffee. The best coffee you will ever have if you ever have a chance to try it.
Best coffee you will ever have in your
Oh
entire
yeah,
life.
second day in a row too.
Chocolate.
I'm gonna get hot chocolate this
Yeah, we're
time.
gonna try the hot chocolate.
I've already had a lot of caffeine.
It's like warm. No, it's hot, but it's warm. But it's not. Doesn't burn your tongue. But it's hot enough.
Coffee, like it's like hot enough,
Yeah.
but it's like, yeah, it's
Chug it.
I'm so excited. Also, Haley Bieber comes here.
and that's why.
That's
Really
why
why
we're
we
here.
come here.
Look at that. It's so pretty. Cute. Yes. Hello. Bachelor night. I want to hear all your thoughts on The Bachelor. Mia,
Okay,
what do
oh
you
my gosh.
think?
You know, Hannah Ann's kind of a little bit fake, but we love her.
I don't like her.
I'm kind of crushing on Hannah Ann.
I'm getting
I'm
her
not
fake
crushing on her.
vibe. No. She's
I
so-
like Madison because we share the same
Madison?
name.
Okay, Madison's gonna get
Sweetheart.
married to him. She's
I don't hate McKenna, the blogger.
Well,
It's just because you are a
I
blogger.
know.
Yeah.
I get it.
We kind of, I don't know. Hannah Ann and Madison are my favorite. Bachelor Nation, we'll see you next Monday.
Oh,
She's
yes.
auditioning, so see her on The Bachelor.
Season
yes.
32.
in 3 years, 2 years.
I feel like we're to 23.
Yeah, season
Yeah.
28.
Okay,
we'll
I'm
do.
so 23.
Good night.
Good night. Oh, wait, I'm going with you.
Max is
Mia.
coming too. Bye, Mia.
Hey guys.
Okay guys, so that is going to be it for my first day of school vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I also post new videos every single Saturday, so stay tuned for that. And if you are not already following me on my Instagram, it is at Ella_Elbells. Go ahead and do that. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye.